Hi, and welcome to our June Sassy Divas collab. So this month we can create any look we want, just a June eye look. So I looked up a couple of different things and thought that it would be fun to do a pride look. So I got on my kind of rainbow colored tie-dye sweatshirt, and I've already got makeup on, so we're going to do the eyes and lips. The palette I chose was the Be Bold by Lurella. This has most of the colors, and I have this purple Okalon eyeliner that I'll be using for the purple. I'm going to start off with this ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer. And now that I have my eyes primed, I'm going to start with this yellow right here. And I'm going to take this kind of pointy brush and just go right in there. And I'm going to go over it with this more sparkly one. Next, I'm going to move it in with this green one. It's called Fearless. The yellow was Worthy and then Motivate. And then this is Fearless. Next, I'm going to take this blue here, which is called Valuable. Then I'm going to take this Be Bold. And I'm going to come into here with it. Then I'm going to take this orange called Be You, and I'm going to do the crease. Then I'm going to take this Independent and do up here. And I'm going to do a little blending, but here's where we're at. So there it is, all blended out. Now we're going to take this purple eyeliner and we're going to take the bent brush and we're going to come in and just add a little bit more color under the eye and go back in with this color and then this color. Next, for mascara, I'm going to use this MAC Magic Extension mascara that I got in last month's Ipsy. So that's just one coating. For the lips, I'm going to start with this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the color Bel Air. I'm going to darken it up with this Thrive Cosmetics liner in the color Devon. All right, so there is my outline. This is why I don't use liner, because I don't think I did a great job. And I'm going to come in with this Scarlet Darling Cosmetics lipstick in Dance of the Flamingo. Now this smells fantastic. It's so smooth. And then I'm going to go over it with another Scarlet Darling product. This is the Pink Sparkles Lip Gloss. And this smells like marshmallow. And I'm not going to lie, it tastes like it too. All right, and that is my final look. Now, Scarlet Darling Cosmetics is a very small, independent company. She makes everything herself and does a fantastic job. You can follow her on Instagram. She also has her own YouTube channel, and that's Natalie Suzanne. So check her out, and I'll have her information down below. And the eye makeup is by Lurella. The mascara is the Okalan Purple Sparkly one. For my cheeks, I have the LYS bronzer, and then the Natasha Denona Cupid Duo with the cheek and the highlighter. So that is my final look. All right, so on to the giveaway rules. So each month there is a different hostess. So I am not this month's, but check around. And as far as who last month's was, I was not last month's either. I was the month before. So it's always a secret. So watch everybody's video, find out who was the hostess last month and who the winner was. And for this month's hostess, for the June hostess, you'll have to wait until July to find out.
Done.
All right. So do you want to?
Yes. You guys want to see my vision? Not saying it?
You want to show them what you used?
Oh, yeah. So, first up. So, first, I used this. I went in the end, and then I blended it out, and I used some of...
And that's the Dance of the Flamingo lipstick by Scarlet Darling.
I used this color up here, and this color, these two.
They couldn't say. Okay, now show them.
These two colors, a little bit of those. And I used some of this, which I got from, what's the box called again?
Busy Beauty.
Yeah,
That's an
and then
88.
I used a lip oil. This one.
Yensa.
I'm saying I'm pretty good at lips. What do you think, Mom? Do you like?
All right, well, that's all we have for you for now. Please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And make sure you let me know that you are subscribed to everybody. I don't have a secret word, but to pick my semifinalist for this month's hostess, I just need to know that you are subscribed to everybody in this collab. And that is Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem, who got us together. Jennifer over at Jennifer Loves Makeup. Emily D, Life with Christine, and Leslie over at Hillbilly Creativity. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you soon.